Hello everybody, and thank you for watching this video. Welcome to my channel. In this one I'm going to be showing you guys a new trading technique you guys could also use when you are using the 2-minute strategy. It's going to be based off of the TradingView technical analysis indicators. I'm going to go ahead and put this to a test and see how we do. I've never technically used this as a personal use, but I want to go ahead and show you guys if this works. Again, in my channel, I do show some recaps of my trading. I give you guys some tutorials of 2-minute trading and also 5-minute binary trading. I do focus on binary trades using pocket option. So go ahead and hit this like button and also subscribe, and hit the notification bell to let me know when you guys, to let you know when I come out with another video. And other than that, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing you want to do is log into your pocket option account. It is a free account. Also, the minimum deposit is $50. Anyway, so go ahead and log in. You keep your indicators up here. If you don't know what these indicators are, go ahead and watch my last video about the 2-minute strategy. That will show you more about that. So the next thing you'll do, you want to go search up TradingView. Sorry about that. Click on this one. Alright, and there you go. So you could make an account. I did make an account. To be honest, it didn't really do anything for me. Just make an account. You can make your own watch lists and so on and so forth. So that's that. So the next thing you want to do, you come over here, and I'm using my demo account, and I do want to switch this to, let's just try it for 5 minutes. So you want to go over here first to the candles. You want to make this 5-minute candles. You want to go over here to the expiration time and make this expiration time 5 minutes. So that one. There you go. So I'm not going to be using the indicators in this trading tutorial. I just want to use strictly the technical analysis on whether it's going to be a put or a call with these candles. If you want to see when I use these indicators towards trading, watch the next video I come out with. I'm going to be using all three, which is these indicators along with the technical analysis from TradingView, and see how it comes out. But for this video, I'm just going to use straightly the TradingView technical analysis. So let's go in here and just add in some of my favorite currencies to trade, which is Euro, USD, that one. I also like to use AUD, USD, that one. And lastly, I'm only going to do 3 trades for this one, you guys. I'm going to go ahead and use, let's go USD GPY. There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and use just these 3 currencies for this trade tutorial. And let's go ahead and get started here. So the first one is Euro USD. Let's go in and click on that one, let it load. I'll keep my trade amount at $50. And again, I'm doing 5-minute trades. So then you want to come over here to TradingView and type in Euro USD. And you want to make sure you click on this one right here. You don't want to click on Euro FX US dollar or Euro/US dollar. Those are just different kind of indicators. You want to strictly click on Euro USD. You also use this one right here. You can use either one. I like to use Forex and Owanda FX. This one is crypto, Kraken, Bitcoin, but I'll just stick to the Owanda one. Wait for it to load. Alright, there you go. So then after that, you want to come over to technicals. And then you want to look for right here, these indicators. So we got a oscillator, summary, the overall, and then you got moving averages. As you can see, the oscillator is neutral. And it says buy and a strong buy, but that is at the 1 day. So we're doing 5-minute trades. We also have 1-minute trades. You could use 1-minute trades when you want to do 2-minute trades, right? So if we're looking for a 2-minute trade, use 1 minute, click on this one, and it'll show you it's all a sell, right? So that'll let you know that you should put in a sell. But we're using 5 minutes. We're going to go ahead and click on 5 minutes. And again, it doesn't really differ from 1 minute to 5 minutes. They're usually about the same. So as you can see here, the oscillators say to sell, the summaries to sell, and the moving averages all say sell. So we're going to come back over here to pocket option, and we're going to go ahead and click on sell in the next candle. And then we will see if we get in the money on this one. So we'll just go ahead and wait on this one. Alright guys, so we got about 10 seconds left here. We'll see what happens. Alright, so we were out of the money on that first trade. Again, I am just using this based off of just a technical analysis of TradingView. I am not using my indicators here. I'm not using the MACD. I'm just going based off of straight what this is saying. So it did say it was supposed to be a sell in the last candle. Unfortunately, it did bump back up and we were out of the money. So let's go ahead and try another one. We got two more here. We got AUD USD. So we'll come back over here to come back over here to TradingView and type in AUD USD. And again, you want to click on the one that says Forex-Owanda FX. You could click on Crypto-Kraken Bitcoin, but I just like to go based off of this one. Then you want to come over here and click on Technicals. And then, of course, you want to click on 5 minutes because we are doing 5-minute trades. And as you see, the oscillator says buy, summary strong buy, and moving averages say strong buy. So all three indicators say a buy. So we'll go ahead and click on buy here. And again, I'm not going based off of, 5-minute candles or 5-minute entry time. I'm just going based off of straight the technical analysis. So this is just straightly a testing video using the technical analysis. On the following video, which I'll make later on this week, I will be using indicators along with the MACD, moving averages, along with using the technical analysis of TradingView and seeing if these do work, using also the appropriate timing as in 5 minutes and 2 minutes. In this video, I just want to give you guys a quick testing of if this will work along with whatever strategy you guys are using, and in the next video, it will give you a better opportunity to see if it works well with the 2-minute or 5-minute strategies. So on this candle, we will see if I end up in the money. Right now, it has a strong move to the downside, so I am not sure what will happen. But we are in here for about 3 more minutes, so we will see what happens with this candle. Alright guys, we got about 5 seconds left on this candle. We will see what happens in the last couple seconds. Alright, so that one we finished out of the money as well. So we are 2 out of the money, 0 in the money, and we're just going to do one more trade here. So we got USD JPY. So I'm going to type in USD JPY. Sorry. Alright, and on this one, of course, you want to go right here where it says Forex-Owanda FX. And then you want to click on Technicals. And then obviously 5 minutes. Alright, so we got the oscillator saying buy, we got the summary saying strong buy, and we got moving averages also saying a strong buy. So we're going to go over here and just click on buy. Again, I'm not paying attention to the expiration time or the entry time here. I'm just obviously using the TradingView technical analysis just to enter these 5-minute trades at whatever time, just to see how it comes out. Right now we're 2 out of money and 0 in the money, and we will see how this candle exits out. and we got a full 4 minutes left, so we'll see what happens. Alright, guys, so we got about 5 seconds left. We were looking pretty good on this candle, but unfortunately it did drop back down, and it looks like we'll be losing this trade as well. There you go. So we did lose that trade, so we are 0 of 3. I'm going to go ahead and end the trades, the live trades at that point. I don't want to do too many with you guys. I just want to give you guys a good idea of how it is when you guys use that TradingView indicator technical analysis. I would do suggest not using that on its own. As you could see in this video, it did not work when you use it by itself, just based off of these indicators right here. I do suggest you could implement that with your daily regular trading strategy. I have not used it along with my 2-minute or 5-minute trading strategy. I will be making a new video when I implement this along with my strategy and seeing if it all works out. And this could be another, I don't know, another way that you guys can confirm a trade. But right now, that's all I'm going to be doing in this video. Also, if you are interested in getting free signals, I do know there's a lot of people out there that do signal rooms on Telegram that you have to pay for or something crazy like that. But I do give out some free binary signals. You could join me right here. The link for my Telegram will be down below. I have the signals room link, and I also have my private link to my Telegram. You could message me first, and I could give you a little bit more information about that. Or you could just go ahead and add yourself into here, the binary signals room. I do trade Monday through Friday between 10 a.m. and 2 p.m. That is US time, of course. So if you are interested, go ahead and add me on here, or you could go ahead and message me through my Telegram. That will be down in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.